Ginger is another ingredient that is often lauded for its potential health benefits. It has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some research has suggested that ginger might have a positive impact on lipid profiles, including cholesterol levels. Bay leaves are commonly used as a culinary herb to add flavor to dishes, but they have also been associated with certain health benefits. Some studies suggest that compounds in bay leaves, such as polyphenols, might have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that could potentially contribute to improved cardiovascular health. Ingredients: bay leaf, ginger. Drink 1 glass before bed.